To find the charge on each atom in Chem3D, first of all draw the molecule of which you want it to find the charge. Atom list is open, which show the charge on each atom. Here carbon 2, which is directly attached with the nitrogen atom, have the highest positive value of charge. You can use varying gradients of color to illustrate partial charges for atoms in your model. For example, strongly positive charged atoms may appear bright red while strongly negative atoms appear blue. Lesser positively and negatively charged atoms also appear somewhere within the color range, depending on the value. Select the option of colors and fonts. Click on Atom Properties. After that, add the maximum and minimum value of charge from your datasheet. Here the bright red and blue colors represent the highest partial positive charge and negative charged atoms. Pale color atoms show the low value of charge. Like and subscribe the channel for more video.